There I was, trading away on meme coins, getting tired of the repetitive process of trying to get in early on a meme coin and squeeze out that meager profit. Instead, I decided to find a new way to make money, and looking at my Phantom wallet, I've been fairly successful. Follow the simple steps that I'm going to show you in this video, and you'll quit trading forever, and you'll only use this method. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay, so here we are, guys. We are nearly at the point where I'm going to show you the method that I've been using to make all this money. But before I get into that, there was just one more thing I wanted to show you guys, and that is just a little reflection on how the game works. Okay, now let's take a look at any of these charts. Doesn't really matter. We can take a look at any of these meme coins. So this one here is actually quite a good example if you were going to be a trader, because if you take a look at the sort of trend overall, it looks pretty good. We've got quite a lot of growth. Yeah, so I mean, you know, if you were a trader, and especially if you got in early, this would be great, because look at this complete upward growth near enough. There's a few dips, but you know, to be honest, most of the time the coin's going up, which is a really good sign. But you know, even then, it's still difficult to make money, because let's have a look at some of these traders here. Look at that, P&L straight in the red. Okay, let's have a look at another one, P&L in the red. Absolutely, again, P&L in the red. Let's take a look at this guy, P&L in the red. Okay, but there are some people like this person here who has their P&L going through the roof very consistently. Now, there's only a few ways you can actually do that. One of the ways is by knowing the dev, so you'll know when the coin's going to be launched, and you'll know you know, when they're going to pull the rug. Or you can use a site like createcoin.fun, and you can create your own coin, and that's what we're going to do today. Now, as you can see, no coding is required. That used to be a big barrier for a lot of people back in the day, but no longer. We don't need to know coding language. We just need to push some buttons, and that's all we're going to do with Create Coin. That's why this site is so good, and why I'm telling you all about it. This is your way in becoming a dev. Again, that's what we want to do. So just going to take a quick look back at Axiom again, and we're going to show you just a couple of bits of difference in terms of like the markets that are available. So this is the pump market. Now, while there are some that get into, you know, the million on occasion, the market caps are usually not great, and the reason for that is because it's full of shovelware. There's loads of shit coins being produced all the time. However, if I switch to Matora, it's a market with a lot more room to move. So as you can see, a lot of these coins are actually in the tens of millions in terms of their market caps, which is incredible. And that is what market Create Coin uses. It uses the Matora market. So that's where we're going to put our coins. Now, first things first, what you've got to do is you've got to connect your wallet. So we simply push connect wallet, and then we push Phantom, and then our wallet is connected. It's as easy as that. Now, I have roughly $100 in this wallet at the moment, so that's what I recommend you have just to get you going. And this is where we could make our own coin. We could put our coin name in, we could put our symbols in, we can get an image, we can get that narrative, we can do that marketing, we can do all that stuff, and that's all fun and well and good. But to be honest, I don't want to do that, because frankly, I'm lazy and I want money now. So there is a different thing that we are going to do. We're not going to launch our own coin per se. We are instead going to hit copy trending. Now, what this is it looks at the pump market and takes a look at all the coins that are trending, that are hot right now. So as you can see, all of these coins here, they were traded within the last minute. So these coins already have all that energy and all that, you know, sort of flavor and sauce, and they're going, they're ready to go. So we're going to take advantage of that. Now, you can look at the market caps, and you can sort of, you know, look at whichever one takes your pick. You don't always have to go after the big boys. You can make money with the smaller market caps. Truth is, it doesn't really matter. These are all good viable coins using this method. So let's take the Slunker coin. Let's just copy that over now. All right, now what's going to happen is the Phantom wallet is going to pop up with this, and it's going to say request blocked. Now, you just need to proceed anyway, and then you need to click confirm, and then you need to tick a box and proceed anyway. And the reason for that is just this is a transaction that the Phantom wallet isn't quite used to, so it will pop up with those warnings, but it is a normal part of the process. Now, we are going to create our liquidity pool here. This is where we put our money down. So I would recommend putting about 0.2 Sol in. You can put a bit more if you like. You can put in, you know, 0.3. I've put in 1 before, but to be honest, I typically go with 0.2 just because that's what works for me. So I'm going to hit confirm on that one there, and then there is our coin. It is on the market. It is live. So you can see we've got a few bits of information here. We've got our estimated value currently at $14.64, and we've also got our pooled Sol over on the left there, as you can see. So that's our coin at the moment, and those numbers will change later on. But before we have a look, let's go on to the Dex Screen Booster. Okay, so we're going to boost our token. So on Dex Screener, we will be at the top of the trending list for 1 hour. This is really important, guys. So we're going to pay the 0.25 Sol on that. We're going to confirm that transaction because now all those bots and all those trend chasers are going to be buying our coin, and this is the secret source that gets us the money. Let's take a look on Deck Screener. Let's see how our coin is doing. Now, you've seen this live, so this coin has not been on that long. So as you can see here, as we update, look at this, guys. The numbers are already kicking through the roof. Our liquidity nearly at 2K already, okay? And look at our, let's see how many traders. Over 100 traders straight away. Guys, these are crazy numbers, and it's that Deck Screen booster that is doing it. It's always the Deck Screen booster. That's what makes us the serious cash, okay? So let's take a look. Let's see where our liquidity goes. Again, we nearly got to 2K again. There you go. We're past 2K on liquidity. We're on an upward trajectory. This is looking really good, guys. So you can see our market cap already. I believe we've already gone past the market cap that was presented to us on the copy coin tab. So as you can see, the market just really can overperform using this method. 4.4K. Brilliant. Right, we're doing really well, guys. So at any point, you can choose, you can come back to this page here and you can refresh and you can see what your estimated coin value is. Look at that, 1.6K. That's incredible. Now, guys, when I make these videos, obviously I make a profit, and what I'm going to do is, if you like, subscribe, and leave a good comment, I will put you into a prize draw where you could win half of what I make. Now, what we're going to do, hit the minus button, take 100% of that liquidity out of the coin, hit confirm, because that is the confirmation that you would like to be paid. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Phantom wallet and we're going to see how much money could potentially be in that prize pool. Okay, things are taking a little bit of time. There we go. Wonderful. Liquidity has been removed, and that means that money is now in my Phantom wallet. Let's take a look, guys. So remember, I started at roughly $100 and $1,074, guys. We have 10x'd. Incredible. And in not very much time either. If you're not doing this method now, you need to get a move on. This is how you make your money.